Yo, what is good? I have a special video for you today. My longtime friend, who I've known forever now, finally upgraded from his 2014 Camry or something. He's always driven like an NPC car, but look what he has now. This man is taking pictures of his new GR Corolla, brand new. It's a 24, right?
Yeah,
24 GR Corolla. Yo, this thing is nice. Nice. But yeah, he's just taking some quick pictures. He might talk about the car a little bit. Maybe we'll go for a little drive real quick, you know? Oh, he says he doesn't know shit about the car. Oh no.
I'm just kidding.
But it is the 6-speed. They don't make the automatic yet. Huh? I'll open it in a little bit. But
The automatics in the 2025. That's a
yeah. But damn. Even got that roof rack, you know? Startup. Ooh.
It's so quiet compared to your car.
I mean, yeah.
Yeah.
But it's all good.
Where do you want to go?
I don't know. Just drive wherever. Let's hear that turbo spool.
Can we go?
No, you gotta make a left.
Yeah. Tesla. Tesla, don't man.
Oh my god.
Good thing we've got a whole fist.
Oh my
Ride height.
god. Ooh. I hope the camera picks up that noise.
Yeah,
It sounds so good.
for a Corolla, man.
Yeah, for a Corolla, that's crazy. A stock Corolla at that.
No pull stop right here.
Of course. Damn.
For a Corolla, man. That's crazy.
Yeah, he's still breaking in the car, so, you know, nothing too crazy. Just a little quick drive.
Honestly, the clutch is really nice.
Is it?
Yeah, you can feel right when it catches.
Hmm.
Compared to like the actual or the regular the Corolla, the XSE that they have, not that good.
Well, I'd hope so. Damn. Is this in comfort?
It's an eco, yeah.
Eco?
You said comfort.
Yeah, comfort, eco, same shit.
This is a BMW.
I don't even have comfort in my car.
Oh, you don't?
No, it's just regular.
Oh.
Regular M1 or M2, that's it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have to figure out all like the cluster gauges and stuff like that. And
Damn.
I like the turning radius a lot too.
I mean, it better be good. It's a small car, right?
Yeah. This turbo noises though. Holy shit.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Camry definitely did not do that.
It could have.
I mean, I guess.
I could have done it.
What a waste that would have been.
Hell nah. Oh, my camera.
That was your lens.
Oh.
Just your lens. Yeah, this man's learning stick, so cut him some
sure.
slack. Cut him some slack.
Sure.
He also almost stalled out yesterday, so.
Sure.
You know, that one's not a lie.
I almost did. I almost did. It was uphill, man. I wasn't expecting it.
It was a small hill, by the way.
No, it was not.
It was a very small hill.
That shit was big, bro.
Damn, look at that car, though. Shit. So, how you like it?
It's fun so far. I mean, I can't wait till I break it in. I'm kind of babying it right now.
Yeah, kind of.
Kind of.
So,
I was originally gonna put the roof rack on later, but it was a showroom car, so they already had it on. They didn't charge me for it, so I was like, fucking nice, dude. Dude, it's just a Corolla on the inside, honestly. I mean, you have like the digital clusters or whatever, and like the nice shift knob, but at the end of the day, it's still a Corolla. So nothing too fancy, nothing too premium.
but it's a faster Corolla.
It's a faster Corolla
with 3 pedals.
Yeah. So I can't complain. It's not like premium or anything like that, like your car, but yeah.
Still a nice car.
It's still nice.
So why'd you choose this?
I go snowboarding a lot. Like Richard said, I have an NPC car all my life, and you know, whenever he'd drive, he'd like, bye. I'm gonna do a pull, and I'm like, okay, just sitting there. Plus, it's like, since I go snowboarding a lot, I need something with all-wheel drive for like the snow and stuff like that. And it was between a WRX and this, and I hated the interior for the new WRX.
Oh, that's true.
It was like a Tesla on the inside. My only one complaint that I have compared to the Camry, obviously, is cargo space, but
right.
I don't have like that much stuff.
Right.
When I'm driving around, so.
Where's is it?
No, under.
Under?
Yeah. Not too much cargo space. They relocated the battery to the back.
Oh.
Yeah, so you have all like your stuff here. Yeah. But nothing crazy. I could still drive around 4 people, just a little tight. But for the most part, it's nice. Stock exhaust sounds great. You know, little turbo noises too.
Oh yeah, why don't you rev it up right now?
No. That's it.
Wow. Yeah, super short video. Just wanted to show off the new car. You know, it's his first sporty car ever. So, congrats. Congrats to this man, finally. I'm sure he'll be taking this up in the canyons after he breaks it in.
Yeah.
And after he learns how to drive the car a little bit better, you know?
I don't know how to drive stick.
Yeah, he doesn't know how to drive stick, so he's got some practicing to do, but yeah, I like it.